Hi friends, this is Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions. Today is not a tech tip at all. It is an announcement that I have these cabin doors as a library for sale now on my website. For $5 you can download them and get these custom doors. Now, it pays to be a Patreon supporter in two ways. First is a Patreon supporter asked me to create these from this sketch, and I did so. In the coming weeks I will share with you how I did that. But for now, you can download them for $5. Now, it also pays to be a Patreon supporter because at the supporter, donor, or champion levels, if you're a Patreon supporter, I will give you a coupon code that you can download these for free. Yes, you can get these for free for the price of a cup of coffee if you share that with me each month. Thanks so much for supporting this channel. Thanks for supporting the information that I put out. I hope you will check out the Patreon page. The information is below. The link to download this library is below. As always, like, subscribe. Have a wonderful week. Thanks for watching.